Welcome to sqadia.com. In this video lecture, we will be looking at Introduction to the Endocrine System. Do you know about major control systems of our body? Well, you might know that the nervous system is one of the two major control systems of the body. And now we turn our attention to the other, that is endocrine system. These two systems interact with one another and regulate body functions. As we know, multicellular organisms must coordinate the diverse activities of their cells, often over large distances. Such coordination is also achieved by the nervous and endocrine systems. Both of these systems are also responsible for maintaining homeostasis. These two systems are intimately integrated, and in some places, difficult to differentiate. But for your understanding, we can simply compare the nervous system and endocrine system. Without further delay, let's make comparison between these systems by following 5 characteristics. Mediator molecules for nervous system are neurotransmitters, whereas for endocrine system, mediator molecules are hormones. Now, site of mediator action for nervous system is close to site of release, such as at a synapse, neurotransmitters bind to receptors at a postsynaptic membrane. While for endocrine system, site for mediator action is in far from site of release usually. Hormones bind to receptors on or in target cells. Mainly it has also to travel via blood vessels to reach target cells. Now the types of target cells. In case of nervous system, target cells are muscles, such as smooth, cardiac, and skeletal cells, gland cells, other neurons. But for endocrine system, the different types of target cells are present throughout the body. Time to onset of action for nervous system is typically within milliseconds, means very fast, and provide rapid control. As for milliseconds, you can imagine thousandths part of a second. While in case of endocrine system, time to onset of action is usually slower, seconds to hours or sometime even days. Duration of action is generally briefer, as it in milliseconds in nervous system, that means provide short-term control. But for endocrine system, duration of action is generally longer, seconds to days, which means it provide long-term control, because of providing generally slower and more sustained signals. I hope now it become easier for you to understand difference on basis of these 5 characteristics. In short, we can say that the nervous system exerts rapid controls via nerve impulses. In contrast, the endocrine system exerts more prolonged effects via hormones. In upcoming sections of the video, we will also have several opportunities to see how the nervous and endocrine systems function together. We will discuss coordination of body functions by chemical messengers, endocrinology, types of glands, the principal endocrine glands, hormones, and their functions. So this was all about this introductory section. For upcoming sections of this video, stay connected.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.